According to an article that just came out, if you're looking to stack cash in 2025, this video is for you. Laundromats are coming in at number 1. This is a bit surprising because you never see anyone using them. Yet they make $6 million a year and no one asks any questions. The ATO is just like, all looking good, keep going, no worries. Number 2 is self-storage facilities. They're coming in with the second highest success rate. Number 3 is vending machines with a 91% success rate. Real estate is coming in at number 4. Number 5 is last mile delivery services, and that's coming in at an 82% success rate. Number 6 is senior care centers with an 81% success rate. Once again, this is providing that if you want to make cash, you have to invest in recession-proof products and services, and necessities that people will always need regardless of the economy. They are boring, but they make money.